Hi, this is Wayne Bilal with tip number 13 from our 35 QuickBooks 2013 tips and tricks. Let's talk about exporting Excel reports to Excel. I mean, Intuit is owned by Microsoft, which makes Excel and Word, and that's why the interface between those two programs in QuickBooks is just flat out excellent, to be honest about it. And there's a lot of times where the report isn't quite what you want, or you need something unusual for to do something else, and this makes it pretty easy. Let's take a hypothetical example. Let's say I ran my profit and loss for the year, and let's say it's done, and for some reason I want to do 1099s for subcontractors, but I don't know, or I don't want to set up. I don't want to set up the 1099 feature. Let's just say, it's not set up. It's going to be a pain. And all I want to do is run this report and hand it to my accountant who's going to do 1099s for me. And if you notice, what I'm doing is I'm getting rid of the columns I don't want. It's a little bit easier inside QuickBooks than it is outside. Make this a wee bit longer. And now what I do is I go up here and I click on this button. Now it's going to give me two choices. I can create a new one or update an existing one. I'm going to create a new one. And what it's going to do is it's going to open Excel. It's going to ask me what I want to do. I'm going to export it. And I hope it opens on this screen, but if not, we'll just bring it over. There we go. Alright, so in this particular case, I got a couple things I can do, and you can see basically what I can do is I can, do my normal stuff as I would in Excel. Let's just make this a little bit easier. Don't really care about this column because all I care is subcontractors. And I can come in here now and, do my sort and then total it later if I want, and do a custom sort. Let's do it by name, which is E. Make sure I don't have my data has no header. Say OK. And notice what I just did. I could now go in here and say, all right, these are who I need to give it to. Quick little error here. I just want to show you something. And this is kind of a freebie tip. If you're running a report, notice who I paid is not here. I didn't notice it until I was getting ready to do it. Go to Customize Report, all right, which is up there. All right, come down here and add source name. This is kind of a freebie. Let's call it tip number 13A. And when I put in source name, anytime I'm doing jobs, it's going to show me the name of the job, and I wanted to get the contractor. So now what I could do is do like I did before, sort it. This time, instead of sorting it by this name, I would sort it by source name. I'm sorry. I didn't export it to Excel yet. But I mean, I would sort it by this name, and now I could do the 1099 like I said. So, like I said, in exporting to Excel, good tool when you need some data in a way that you, for whatever reason, you don't know how, or you can't seem to get out of QuickBooks. Don't be afraid to export it. So until next time, thank you, and let's have a great